Hey everyone! Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this updated 2025 guide, I'll show you how to get a crypto wallet on Robinhood, step by step, so you can send, receive, and store your crypto like a pro. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Make sure your Robinhood app is up to date. Go to the App Store or Google Play and update Robinhood to the latest version. You'll need this to access the wallet features. Step 2. Open the app and log in. Once you're in, head over to the crypto section on your home screen. Step 3. Check for crypto wallet access. Robinhood is gradually rolling out wallets. If you're eligible, you'll see a message inviting you to activate your crypto wallet. If you don't see it yet, be patient, or join the waitlist if it's available in your region. Step 4. Complete identity verification. If prompted, verify your identity with a government-issued ID and a selfie. This step is required before you can access wallet features. Step 5. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Robinhood will require 2FA for added security. You can set this up under the security settings using SMS or an authenticator app. Step 6. Wallet activated. Once verified and 2FA is active, your Robinhood wallet will be ready. You'll now see your wallet address and the option to send or receive crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Things to remember. Only select cryptocurrencies are supported for transfers. Always copy wallet addresses carefully. You can view your wallet address under the Receive tab in the Crypto section. That's it. You now have your very own crypto wallet on Robinhood, ready for action in 2025. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching.